Hey there! In today's video, I'll walk you through how to set up DNS from SendGrid to DigitalOcean DNS. This setup is crucial for authenticating your domain and ensuring your emails are delivered securely and reliably. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Settings. Click Sender Authentication. Then click on Authenticate Your Domain. Now choose your DNS provider as Other if DigitalOcean is not listed. SendGrid will now provide you with DNS records, which include TXT and CNAME records. Copy these, as you'll need them in the next step. Next, log into your DigitalOcean dashboard and select Networking from the main menu. Choose your domain, and then navigate to the DNS settings. Here, add the TXT record to authorize SendGrid to send emails on behalf of your domain. Then, add the CNAME records to further authenticate your domain. Once these records are saved, return to SendGrid and click Verify. Keep in mind that it might take a few hours for the records to propagate. Once verified, your domain will be authenticated with DigitalOcean's DNS, and you'll have a more secure email sending setup. That's it. Be sure to hit the like button if you found this helpful. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.